Okie dokie. So, who could tell me what this word is and then use it in a sentence? Gage, go for it, dude.
I formed the pot.
I formed the pot, right? He formed the pot with his hands while he was making clay, right? Form. F-O-R-M-E. That's not an E. F-O-R-M. Form. Oh boy, man, Mrs. Cooper made a mistake. Oh, I love your shirt, Egypt. Beautiful colors. Form. F-O-R-M. Form. Okay, Mrs. Cooper's brain needs to wake up. Who could raise their hand and tell me what this word is and use it in a sentence? Easy. Go for it, dude.
Hail.
I hear a bird. Lovely. Beautiful sentence. Good job. Hear. H-E-A-R. Hear. And remember we did hear like this. Hear. Good. Who could raise their hand and tell me what this word is? And use it in a sentence. Zoe, go for it, girlie.
I am tired very much.
I am tired very much. I could also say, I love you very much, right? Good. Much is our word. Much. And remember, for much, Gage gave us that great idea to make our hands really big and go M-U-C-H, much. Much. Right. Good. And who could tell me what this word is and use it in a sentence? Go for it, Emmy.
Low. I have a picture that is low on the ground.
Oh, good sentence. Love it. Low. And remember, for low, we crouch down to the floor like we get really, really low. L-O-W. Low. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low can you go? Thanks for going low, some of my friends. Okay, awesome. All right, low, that's right. L-O-W, low. Good job. Okay, so I want to go through all these. I'd like all my friends to say them with me. This word is form. This word is hear. This word is much. And this word is low. Woohoo! Okay, guess what? You know what time it is. Give me 1 second, okay? I just gotta go grab some things in order to teach my R-controlled vowels, okay? I'll be right back. Hey, you're not supposed to be in here. I told you yesterday that I'm gonna teach R-controlled vowels today. Hey! Hey!
Miss Cooper's gonna teach them, Jewel.
Her! Her! Ha ha ha! Arr, mateys! Are you ready to learn about some R-controlled vowels? No! What? Why not?
Miss Cooper's gonna teach us. You are Miss Cooper.
Miss Cooper, can I teach R-controlled vowels?
Now!
Oh, hold on. Let me go talk to her. I'm sorry I put you in my barrel yesterday. Can I teach today? All right, you can teach. They really love you. All right, yep, go ahead and teach. Yay! I get to teach you R-controlled vowels! Huzzah! Can I get everyone to say, "R, matey"? Yeah, oh, that was great today. I think that was our best one yet. Man.
But don't say we're gonna walk the plank.
I would never make you walk the plank. I just say that to be silly. I really like you guys. I'm going to miss you when I don't get to teach R-controlled vowels anymore. I'm going to have to sail to the Indian Ocean and look for buried treasure.
Or you could teach another class.
Oh, I can teach another class? Really?
Yes, Pirate. Teacher Pirate Children's class.
Oh, thanks for that great idea! Alrighty. We have been learning about ARR. Who can give me 2 words with AR in them? Riley.
R.
That's ARE. Give me words with just AR in them. Go ahead.
I was thinking of or.
Oh, okay. Anyone else got ideas? Alice.
Car.
Car. Vroom, 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 vroom. I don't know how to drive one of those. I only know how to sail a ship. Do you all know how to drive a car?
Yes.
What?
No idea. I do. I don't even know. I can drive my grandpa's gator.
Mr. Priest, I think you might need to walk the plank into my sea of sea turtles. Okay, what else?
Do that way.
What else? Zoe.
Arthur.
Arthur. Yes, that is a good one. Arthur, the name Arthur. Right, good. R. There's words like park, farm, anything else like that. Then the other one we were learning about was or. Orville, or the orange stealer. Who can give me some words with or in them? Some words with or. Come on, I just had the same like 4 people. I need different friends. Cameron.
Orange.
Orange. Good one. What else? Bristol. Oh, just a stretch? Was that just a stretch? George.
George.
George has it in there. Yep. What else? Alice.
Corn.
Corn. Good. Yep. So we were learning about R and or. And this week we've been talking about and Can you give me your best Good job. All right. Mute in 3, 2, 1. Oh, you guys are fast. Woo. Okay. So, we've been talking about and how they all sound the same, right? For words like sir. Can you all say sir for me?
Sir.
Stir. You try.
Stir.
Bird.
Bird.
Turn. Turn.
Turn.
Fur. You try. Fur. Hurt. Hurt. Good job. So those were some IR and UR words. Today, I think that's tomorrow. Yeah. I do want to talk about just a couple of ER, IR, wrote on the board, and UR words. So, I would like everyone to go ahead and grab a sheet of paper, and I would like you to write down 2 words that have ER, 2 words that have IR, and 2 words that have you are. This should be review from your lesson yesterday. So your seesaw activity had ER, IR, and UR. So you're going to write 2 words for each. ER, IR, and UR. And I'd like friends to turn on those cameras so I can see your lovely work. Come on. And ER, IR, UR. I really like Mrs. Cooper. Her class is a good class. Her class is a great class. You know, her class is a great class. Though, sometimes I do feel like I'm in danger because she really loves you guys, you know. And, yeah. One time, did I tell you about the story? One time I got in a fight with a mermaid. Mermaids are not to be messed with. They're strong. Yeah. This mermaid walked up to me and was like, "Sir, you just sailed right past all my friends and never said hello. And you stirred up the water and made it all dirty and muddy. How rude, right? Sir and stir and made it all dirty? That is terrible." Say it again.
How much words do we do on each one?
Just 2. 2 for each. That's it. Yep. Because I know it's a little tricky. And that's 6 words total. So that's a lot of words. Okay. One of my favorite things is when I used to sail the 7 Z's before I started teaching our controlled vowels to students, I used to have really, really curly hair like Emmy. And it was beautiful and luscious and it was so curly. And I don't have that, I have straight hair. And I really miss the ocean. Maybe I'll get to go soon. You know what I like to do? In my cannons, instead of cannonballs, they're filled with cotton candy and Jell-O. So when I go around and sail with people, I squirt out Jell-O and cotton candy at people. Isn't that fun? I know, right? I know. Oh, it's a good time. Alrighty.
What do we do when we're done?
Show me your writing. In 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we got. Let's there's some words we got. Aha! I was wondering when someone would write this one. Uh-huh. Okay. So we got about 3 words each. That was pretty good. Good job. We have letter, Cooper, and her. Now they all have that sound. Then we have first, stir, twirl, fur, burn, and burp. Sorry, excuse me. Alright. Alrighty, you ready to have Mrs. Cooper back? I'll leave. Okay. Thanks for letting me teach you art control valves today, friends. Bye. She'll be back in a second. Yay, I get to teach again. Woohoo! Was that fun, guys? Don't worry, I was just standing in the corner listening quietly. She didn't stick me in a barrel this time.
Miss got the board.
Ugh. Alrighty, so the story we are going to read today is called A Tree Grows Up. Yes, Zoe, question.
What language are we going to do for Show Me Your Work this week?
German still?
German?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, the book we're reading is a nonfiction book. Okay? So, what we're talking about for our seesaw activity today is how trees look in different seasons, and then you're going to describe the trees. Okay? So, we're going to do it together. We're going to talk about some of the different trees, and then we're going to describe them. So this is also in your seesaw activity, so I'm going to pause my video and then summer. Alrighty, friends, that is all I have for you. I know our lesson went over just a little bit, but I'll see you all in about 20 minutes for math, okay?
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
Okay, friends, on my recording. So, I don't know how well this is going to work, but I want to show you what you're going to have to do on your seesaw activity. You might not be able to see it. Let me unplug. Let's see. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to draw the different trees that you learned about in your story, and you're going to draw them based on the season. So like fall, winter, spring, summer. I did an example of fall. So when we read our book, we talked about how in the fall the leaves start to change color. So, and we said that they can be sometimes yellow, brown, red, or even orange. So I changed my leaves on my tree, and then I did a bunch of different colors for the leaves. But then also something else we learned as we read the story was that acorns typically fall in the fall, so I drew some acorns on the bottom as well. And then underneath, I gave that little description that in the fall, the leaves change color. They can be yellow, red, brown, and orange. So I want you to draw a picture of each of the trees in the winter, spring, and summer. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write a quick little description on the bottom. I think it's easiest to use a text box, but if you want to use the pen tool, that's okay too. I just think it's a really small area, so the text box might be easier. You could also, if it's easier, you could also do this on a separate sheet of paper. No worries. You could do each one on a separate sheet of paper and take a picture. So, but I want you to draw a picture of each of the trees in the different seasons and then a little description. And that's all. I just wanted to show that to you because I know you guys don't get to see that because I record on a different laptop. But thanks so much for joining me, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow.